Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your CapCut to your TikTok account. Okay, all right, so how to link CapCut to TikTok. Okay, so open your CapCut. Okay, so when you open your CapCut, you want to come this side where you see this profile icon here. You tap on that. Okay, so this is your profile on CapCut. So come to manage accounts here. All right, so when you come to manage accounts, you can see TikTok is over here. It's the first option, as you can see. So you come and tap on this link option here. So you tap on that. All right, so when you tap on that, you're basically trying to link TikTok to your CapCut account. So you wait for it to load. All right, so as it is loading, you have to be patient. All right, so at this step, you need to put in your TikTok username, or you can put in your TikTok phone number. So let me put in my phone number here. All right, so this is just a private number. All right, so after putting in your phone number, you tap on login. All right, so I need to complete this to confirm that I'm not a robot. So select two objects of the same shape. All right, so I'll select the objects here. This one and this one. You just need to do these quick steps to verify that you're not a robot. All right, so when you put in these details, I'll get a confirmation code from these people so that I can log in my TikTok account. All right, so the code has come. It is 435120. Okay, so when you do that, you've connected your CapCut to your TikTok account. Okay, so that's how to link CapCut to TikTok. Okay, so I've connected that, and you just come to authorize over here and you're good to go. So if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and leave a like. So as you can see, I've already connected, or I have already linked CapCut to TikTok, and this option says unlink if I want to remove the connection between the two applications. Okay, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.